Hi friends, welcome to ARTnCN. So you can see here we are in a beautiful landscape. So many things are here: animals, a flowing river, distant houses, blue sky, mustard flowers, birds, flowing river, small insects, and so amazing scenario to paint an outstanding landscape. Firstly, starting with the drawing. To do that, I just pick up the elements from the lovely landscape and putting into my paper. So here you can see that I have already started a drawing. Since it is a landscape, so the 2/3 of the space of the paper is dedicated to the land. Rest is for the sky, putting the elements one after one so that it will give me the required depth where viewers I can travel in the painting. So you can see that I am sketching the cows and trees and the branches of trees and the river in the right side of my hand. I am adding some little bit branches on the trees. So adding little bit interest in the middle ground so that it can give the viewers a zigzag kind of thing. So here my sketching is just completed. Now you can see starting color with a raw sienna was in the whole paper, so that the giving raw sienna was in the whole paper as because it will give me the sunshine effect in the whole paper. Wherever be white left, it will give the sunshine effect. Now adding cerulean blue and ultramarine blue in the sky. Distant trees in the middle ground using grey and bluish tone. In the middle ground, I am adding yellow ochre with scarlet along with light green into it. Warm colors in the foreground, scarlet and yellow ochre, but little tilt is toward scarlet. Ground surrounding the river is wet, so little darker color adding such as burnt sienna and bluish shades along with green. Water of the river darker from the foreground to the lighter in the middle ground. Parallelly, I am making the shadows of the high grounds on the river and using the colors in such a way it can give me the flow of the water. Now I am giving the shades of the trees on the foreground highland. Adding some details in the foreground so that viewers' eye can travel through it. You can see that just by giving trees in the foreground, you can see that your eyes is passing through the trees and giving a feel of distance in the painting. One of the most important thing in the painting is that adding some life into it by painting animals, human figures. To do that, you have to be slow and with a little bit extra care of anatomy. Adding some shades in the distant houses just to give an impression of the village. Some boundaries made of bamboos beside the river. A small boat and its reflection on the river along with a man figure. Adding some sticks put on the mud of the river and its reflection on the river. Adding man figure with extra care of anatomy. Adding branches of tree using thick color on the brush. Adding some leaves and small branches in the tree. Adding some details on the foreground here and there. Adding flowers, I mean mustard flowers, just by giving little bit gamboge wash and the splatter of gamboge in the middle ground, in the foreground, that you can see I am giving splatters. Another most important thing to paint watercolor painting is to finding the dominating hue in the painting to create a mood and creating a soothing atmosphere by creating feel of light in the painting. Adding required details here and there so that it gives me the balance in the overall painting. Some birds flying on the sky. Some require detailing here and there. Adding little bit highlights using white. Actually internationally 10% white is allowed to call a watercolor painting. Adding signature in the painting. Actually this is my first painting of this year. I hope you will like today's painting. Painting is almost completed. Some little bit details here and there. This is here our painting is done. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.